Hi there, I'm Bo Miller, I'm from Boutique Realty, and today I'm showing you through number 26 Holterman Court in Redbank Plains. So I don't know if you can see quite there up on the roof, but this property is covered in solar panels, so certainly going to be great for cheap power bills for whoever is to live here. There's security screens on all of the windows. And the particular street at the end there, you can see there is a park, children's playground, and the street itself was actually built as a show village when the area first began. So really good quality homes, which is obviously why this one's got some features. Now, as we go through, you will notice though, it's due for some TLC. So in my description of the property, I did say we need to repaint the property and some new carpet is needed as well. So the walls themselves are generally in reasonable condition in terms of there's no holes, but they're just a bit rough. The property was built in 2014, so as you can see there are some wear and tear marks on the walls. All the wardrobes and everything are all intact. It just really needs a good wash down and repaint. It's got downlights right through, just need a couple of bulbs replaced. This is your master bedroom, huge bedroom with air conditioning. The windows all have, there's 3 windows at the front, all with timber Venetian blinds. Light fitting intact, there's no ceiling fans in here, just to note. It does have a large walk-in robe and bathroom with shower and toilet. Okay, so the second bedroom is, third bedroom down the hall here. Again, like I said, just needs new carpet and really just needs a repaint. Like there's bits of sticky tape on the walls and so forth. These guys have got some strip lighting, which I think was probably on the walls at the same time. So the timber blinds, this one's in okay condition, but it does have one a little bit broken, but that'll clean up okay. Wardrobe, as I said, is good. No ceiling fans in here, but it does have security fly screens. Okay, our bathroom and toilet. What I would suggest in here, it just needs a really good clean. New grout will make a big difference, not grout, silicone and make a big difference. But we do need some repairs on the vanity, probably a new top in here and just a repair of that top drawer will bring it up fine. You could replace it, but if you're just wanting to get away with it just so that it can be lived in or rented out, that's what I would recommend. There is little hole in the wall there that's been patched up but needs painting, so the painters will be able to fix that up for you. And then you've got your open plan living room. Okay, air conditioned. There's 3 air conditioners in the property. There's another one in the garage because this was used as a daycare home for a little bit. The ceilings and walls in here are in really need a good clean. There is a bit of mould up on the ceiling there, so you'd have to make sure that gutters are kept clean and that's all looked after going forward. There's a couple of little dints on the wall, but nothing that the plasterer won't be able to patch up. I will note as well, in terms of smoke alarms, I've only got them in the hallways to meet with 2022 compliance. For a rental property, you would need to add some smoke alarms in here. A house like this will cost about $600 to upgrade, but that'll have a 10-year compliance period. This is the kitchen, really huge fridge space there for your kitchen, electric cooking here, and space for a dishwasher, no dishwasher. It does need a carpenter just to help, or a handyman to help with the cupboard door is broken, but apart from that it's in okay condition. I don't have the key at the moment for the back screen door, so I'm just going to show you through here. There is an outdoor area and a small yard. This is your laundry, really large laundry period. Here we go. And garage. I have just realised, and I'm going to show you out because there is access to the backyard. I've seen the door is unlocked, so I'm going to take you out here now. So you can see the fencing in the backyard. I will take you right to the back corner so you can have a look. I am aware that a lot of people are buying properties without seeing them at the moment. Certainly if you were looking at it as an investment property, we would assist in preparing the property for rental. There is a hot water system there. Now the property is currently lived in by the homeowner who is wishing to move, so it would be a property purchased under vacant possession, and we would then be able to hand it over ready to prepare for new occupants. Just noticed one more thing, we would need an electrician just to pull that light back up. So there's certainly a couple of things. This house is in need of some TLC, like I said, but as an investment opportunity to get yourself into one of the great areas of Redbank Plains, I think this is one of the best streets in the area. There's some gorgeous homes, and I think that by purchasing in this area, you will be making the right decision. Give me a call. I am on 0411 439 437. My phone has not stopped since I listed the property last night, so it is going to go quickly. We'd love to see you on Market Buy to make an offer, and if you have any questions at all, just let me know. I look forward to speaking to you soon.